this is Awesome Tiger. Look at all these. Do these give you any clues? Butter, eggs, butter, baking soda, vanilla extract, sugar, almond flour, and a baking tray. Does this give you any ideas of what today's ingredient experiment is? I think if you guessed as chocolate chip cookies, you're right. Okay, so let's start. So first, you need to put 2 cups of almond flour. 2 cups. And 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay. I need to be careful because I just filled the sugar. Okay, I think I overfilled it a bit, but I think we'll be fine for now. And the sugar, close it, smash it. Okay, so now I've got my 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Smack. I can barely see the color of this. Okay, now let's melt this butter up before we put it in. Okay, so you need to get 2 tablespoons of butter, which is properly melted. And if you want more info about how to melt it, you've got to melt it for 30 seconds. Okay, so I've got that here, which I can't lift up like this. So, so I told you about that careful job. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So, let's do that very carefully. Then my hand to guide it, not falling down. So now you've got to mix the dry ingredients you've put so far. Mix the dry ingredients before you put the wet ingredients. Now you've got your butter to mix in. Your 2 tablespoons of butter. And right now they should be melted. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Got to be careful. So just to guide it. How about I do it in here? Ooh. And the 2. Take 1 egg and crack it up. Quick. Okay, that seems good. Okay, so now you have to wash your hands, which I've already done, and now mix it up. All the dry and wet ingredients. Make it all up. I think this is good enough. Okay, so I have to be very, very strong. Now take your chocolate chips and put 1/2 cup. Or you can just put a bit and mix it up and to see how much is good for you, depending on how chocolate you want it. You have to put the wax paper on the baking tray. The important part, to preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees now. So now let's mix it up. Ooh, looking way better with my hands. I could get used to this. So squishy. Seems like it's ready. Let's take a bit. Uh-oh. I need to put a bit of butter on my hands before you do that so it will come pretty good. I'm rubbing that butter on my hand. Ah, so buttery. Now I'll take it out. Squeeze it. Ugh. Well, well, there is something optional, which really comes in handy right now, which is shape cutters. Cutters that turn any dough into shapes before it bakes. So, I'm taking all the dough, extra chocolate chips, take it in the dough. Just spread it all out. Oh, uh-oh. Now I have to wash my hands again. I've got my hands washed. Let's take those shape cutters out of here. But gotta be careful. And of course these. Okay, so now let's take a bit of the sun out of here. Uh-oh, not working. Oh, this isn't working. Whoa, finally worked. Uh-oh, it's done preheating. This is gonna take a pretty long time. I guess it'll be fine. Now that's out of line. It'll come next time. Ooh there, girl. Slow down. Nice. Carrots done. Strange. I'll just go on. Okay. It worked this time. It should work next time. Ah, there we go. That sure was nice. Okay, so if yours has too much holes, relax. Just get it all together and spread it out again so it'll have a hole free. So it won't have any more holes. And in fact, this is actually expecting to be better than I thought. Now, time for the gardener. Oh, I could get used to making cookies. Out of here, girl. Now, finally, the beautiful part. Butterflies. I think this could be for my mom. Or maybe your girlfriend. Ooh. Yeah. Sorry, butterfly. You might die. Get it? Do you know why? Because we're gonna eat the butterfly. I love my cookies this way. They're so good. sun as it starts again the next sunrise. So, after this is the next day when the sunrise once again comes. Let's put that at the end. I don't think it'll be another day. Hey, I think 2 days will be enough. Okay, finally, look at all these cookies. As they're not completely, totally formed it. Last form of it, I bet you can guess what it is. If you guessed bacon, you're right on track. So, let's move this. But most important thing before you do this, don't put it in the oven. Ask your mom, because you're going to burn your hands if you do. Okay? Wondering how much you should actually do it? Wish granted. 10 minutes. Okay. So bake it for 10 minutes is what that means. So now, please like and subscribe for more of these awesome videos, especially my newest one, the homemade pizza. It is so simple, maybe not quick, but very delicious at the end. Hi, it's Awesome Tiger again. As you know, we're in the, if yours is done with cooking. At least mine is by now. Nice. Love it. I'm eating the sun. Here's a question. Which do I like better? The school cookies or these cookies? Think. If you need more time, pause the video. So, now you're done thinking, what do you think it is? If you guessed home, you're right. Yeah. Because the school ones are too sweet. And these ones aren't too sweet and very chocolatey. That's why. So please like and subscribe and to watch more of these videos so you can have fun cooking and have a nice taste. Bye!